Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for the Affiliate Automation Academy. Now what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to show you my bonuses. I'll cover my bonuses quite a bit. I'll show you the funnel, and I'll show you quickly inside the Affiliate Automation Academy. Now this is a training package, it's not software or anything like that, so I can't give you a full look inside. But this is done by two very, very good friends of mine, John Armstrong and Ryan Phillips, both top class marketers. And they've got the results to prove it in this system. Okay, so, everything they're showing you, they've done themselves, and they've made millions and millions of dollars. So first, let me show you my bonuses. So I'll just drop down here. Now you get 10 SaaS apps. So you get 10 SaaS apps with full personal rights. Now each one of these could easily sell at $97 each. So you get $1,000 worth of SaaS apps. So you get personal access, and you get the top tier personal access. And we're also going to give you resellers to all the 10 apps. So you get resellers to all 10 apps. Plus you'll get the bundle bonus for these, so you can resell these as a bundle. So rather than selling them individually, you can sell them as a bundle, which is a super valuable bonus as well. Now you also get 10 done-for-you sales pages. So you get one for each app. So you get a sales page for the bundle, and you get the sales page for all the 10 apps. You get the 10 marketing packs. So for each app, you get a marketing pack. You get all the swipes, everything else you need, graphics, everything you need to sell those. Then again, you get a custom bundle page. So you get the custom bundle page, so all the apps are on there ready to go, everything's ready to sell. Now if you purchase anything in the funnel, we're not kind of specifying a price in the funnel. I'll show you the funnel as well so you can see exactly what's involved. Anything you buy in the funnel, we will also do you a custom logo for your new kind of business. And if you purchase anything in the funnel, you don't have to do that twice, just once. We will do you the logo, plus we will also do you the VSL. So we'll do you a custom bundle VSL. So for your bundle page, we'll do you a custom VSL for that. Okay. And if you purchase anything in the funnel, we'll set everything up for you. So we'll create the bundle page, upload it, upload the done for you VSL. If you want us to connect your payment processor, we will. And we'll upload all the 10 individual pages as well. Okay. Now these are the 10 apps down here. So just have a look through what they all do. They're all really, really good apps to use in your marketing as well. Just go through those. Then we've got 50 videos PLR. We've got another 50 videos PLR and another 50 videos PLR. Plus we've got the affiliate funnel. We've got the application funnel. We've got the membership funnels. We've got the opt-in list building for beginners. We've got the profit funnel ideas. So as you can see, very, very nice bonus. Now, if you just think of buying the front end, you didn't want anything to buy anything in the funnel, the price on this was under $30. So you're getting each app for under $3, and you're getting resellers to those as well, and you're getting the bundle as well. So super, super cheap bonus, but a very, very exclusive bonus as well, because we're only offering 50 spots. Once those 50 spots have been filled, we will be closing this down. So don't delay, lock this in. So I'll jump inside the funnel now so you can see what's involved in the funnel. Okay guys, so this is the funnel. Now the front end is $27. As I said, it's under $30, and you get a ton of value in that as well. And you get a huge bonus package inside the app that, obviously Ryan and John are including. The bump offer is $17. So this is Ryan's proven viral vault, done for you test of viral content. So that's $17. Very well worth adding in. Rapid launch pack. Now, eliminate guesswork and in commissions within 2 hours with our done-for-you rapid launch pack. So get instant upgrade to 70% commissions, new reels and posts every week. $197. Then you've got the growth engine. So the affiliate automation growth engine, copy and paste the $3,300 a day formula, plug in traffic systems, and exact 100K a month elevation stack. So again, well worth locking in. And then you've got the wealth workshop, which is a 4-week specialist group coaching with Ryan Phillips, $77. Now, Ryan really knows what he's doing. Been around a long time, generated millions of dollars. So very, very well worth locking in. So if you want to lock in any of our kind of upgrade bonuses, just purchase either upgrade 1, 2, or 3. You don't have to purchase all 3, just either one, and we will kind of give you that logo, done for you logo, done for you VSL, and set everything up for you. So that's the funnel. Let me jump inside now, and I'll show you inside. Now remember, this is training, so I can't show you too much. I don't want to give away what these guys are actually selling. Okay guys, so you can see this is a members area. As I said, it's training, so can't give you too much away. But each one of these modules has multiple modules inside. So let me show you, like drive traffic. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 different lessons inside. There, automate sales. Let's see how many's inside this. 2 inside there. Yeah, let's go setup. 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. So you're getting, a really good collection of content. Plus you've got all the bonuses and all the extra resources as well. Now for $27 with our bonus, this is unbeatable because you could use this training to resell our bonuses. So the done for you 10 SaaS apps individually or as a bundle. So you can use this training to kind of start driving traffic and setting those up for resell for yourself. So as I said, can't show you too much because it's training, but this is well worth locking in for $27. With our bonus, it just can't be beat. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.